Welcome back. Well, we're just counting down to what has been a disappointing day for the bulls. So after a very strong Samvat session yesterday, we've given back some of our gains. The Nifty is down over 85 points and it's down about 160 points from the highs of trade. The mid-caps, though, have outperformed today, up almost about 100 odd points. What led to the decline today? You had largely FMCG names, Nestle, Britannia, HUL were your top three losers, down about 2 to 3 odd percent. Followed by Kotak Mahindra Bank that came in for some profit taking, Bajaj Finserv, UPL, HDFC. And from the heavyweights, Reliance Industries was under pressure as well, down about 1.5% after its numbers failed to enthuse the street because of the weakness in the oil to chemicals business. Asian Paints, Bajaj Auto, IndusInd Bank were a couple of other stocks that ended in the red today. On the upside, though, you had IT stocks. Tech Mahindra did quite well. You had even something like an Infosys that ended in the green. And TCS was not bad, outperforming the market. And auto stocks did very well. Maruti Suzuki, Eicher Motors, M&M, Tata Motors were all your big gainers in trade. So all in all, not a bad day, but not a good day either. Just some profit taking after a strong Samvat session. But let's hop over to Mangalam to find out how the mid-caps perform. Mangalam.
Well, a strong run-up is what we saw over the last few trading sessions, and some profit-taking out there is what we saw on the frontline index. But it was a better performance from the mid-cap index, so to say. The index was up by almost 1/3%, even as the broader market strength was weak. In fact, it favored the declines. Almost 1,800 stocks on the red side as against 1,000 which gained in today's trading session. So let's talk about the few gainers that we had. The biggest gainer in the F&O pack was MCX, and not just PSU banks. A lot of PSUs did well as well. BHEL, gas companies like Mahanagar Gas, IGL. Then we had the Union Bank, PNB, Canara banks of the world. On the way down, we had IDFC and Laurus Labs lower in today's trading session. Laurus Labs, of course, missed the guidance. The management said that they will not meet the guidance. IDFC, First Bank, Indus Towers and RBL Bank were the other bunch of losers. But a clutch of stocks that gained did belong to the railway pack. We had RVNL do well in today's trading session, along with Railtel and a bunch of other defense names like Hindustan Aeronautics and Cochin Shipyard. But, by and large, we have broken a 7-day gaining streak on the Nifty, ended on the low at the lower end. We go into a holiday. Let's see what Thursday brings, which will be the October series expiry. That's about the market action today. With that, we wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. You don't go anywhere because our Tuesday special, Commodity Champions, comes up next.